Hello again, it's Noob, and it is that time of year, and I really wanted to do a video on what things that I thought were kind of cool little lockpicking gift ideas. And for this video, I really wanted to just choose some fun, mostly inexpensive items which aren't necessarily serious lockpicking items, but would make kind of fun gifts for people who like lockpicking, you want to get into lockpicking, or even maybe just a little extra treat for yourself. This isn't a sponsored video in any way, and there's only one item where I actually make any money back from, and that's my t-shirts, but I'll come on to that a little bit later. So my first category of things under about $10 US, I'm going to start with a tactical hair clip, and you might think, what? And this is exactly what you think it is. It's a hair clip. It can be used as a hair clip. It comes often in black or silver. It's got a serrated edge. It's got a large and a small screwdriver head. It's got a Phillips screwdriver head. It's got a serrated edge. It can act as a trolley coin. Definitely something which you can either wear in your hair or just stick in your wallet. And I went on a SEER course, one of those escape and evade things, recently. And one of these hair clips can be used as a handcuff shim as well. Very useful item, would you believe? So yeah, might sound like a little bit of a joke, but as a little stocking filler for around $5 or $6, you can get them on so many different sites. Have a look around, but I don't think not a bad little item. Next up, and of course I had to include these are the Sparrow's Scrooge pins based on my Christmas lock-in pins, which I handmade, and these are Christmas themed lock pins. We've got things like little snowmen, little Christmas trees, we've got I think a wine bottle there as well, we've got these wine glasses or goblets, we've got Christmas crackers, all sorts of little Christmas themed pins, and these are security driver pins, and these security driver pins can be put into a range of different locks, little kick cylinders, loads of different locks, including things like this cutaway lock, which actually has some chest themed security pins in there, which are just an extra little challenge to make your locks feel a bit more fun, act as a little challenge, a fun little thing to do. And a set of these will cost around, I think, $6 Canadian, something like that, so very little money, and can offer a lot of challenge for new and intermediate pickers. If you like patches, for $6 US, Covert Instruments do two really cool ones. I like the Aztec patch and the Octo patch, and I think that these are just really nice items. I really like the designs on these. I think for $6, these designs are kind of cool, especially if you like Covert Instruments. Now on to the next category, which I'm going to say is my under 25-ish US category. And I have to start this category off with one of my favorite designs that I ever worked on. This is a folding credit card pick set. I'll show some video footage of me putting it together and using it. Essentially what it is it's a finger pick set. You've got a triple peak rake, you've got a short hook, you've got some turners here. But once you've broken this credit card pick set apart, you can then make it into a folding pick set you can stick on a keychain, and you can even put the turners on a keychain as well. I really like this design, and I don't think many people have ever had a go of one of these. And these are around 22 euros and 55 cents, something like that. So a really nice, maybe a little expensive stocking filler, but a really fun little gift, something you can slide into your wallet if you're allowed to carry one around with you, of course, in the region that you reside in. Next up, and very recently, I did a review on this Sparrow's ashtray and coaster set. Now, I'm not condoning smoking, but this makes a really nice little Sparrow's themed holder of various objects, pins, springs, picks, I don't know, spare candy that you have in your pocket. But apart from being some nice robust coasters for drinks, on the other side, two of these actually have very useful little pinning trays. I just think it's a really fun gift for the price, which is only, I think, $17 US and 50 cents. I think it's just a nice little gift. This next suggestion, I have to caveat with, I've never owned one or played with one or even touched one. This is the Book of Secrets lockpick case from Lockjaw Manufacturing. The reason I'm including this is because the price is really good at around $15 US for a really cool sort of zip case with loads of pockets and spaces for lockpicks and lishy tools and all sorts of things. I just think that this kind of looks nice. I like the design on it. I like the space it has. I just get this feeling it's a really good deal, and I will definitely get hold of one of these to do a full review on. But if you're willing to take a risk on it, then I think for $15, probably can't go too wrong. Now for my next category, we're going to go all the way up to $50-ish and below. And do you know what? This is the only time I'm going to plug my own stuff, and that is check out my merch. Like, I've made a lot of t-shirt designs and I've commissioned a number of designs. If you're looking for fun, lockpicking related or lockpicking adjacent designs, you want to support my channel, I make a few dollars off every sale, and there's a range of things like hoodies and t-shirts, even mugs. I recently made this Eat, Sleep, Pick, Repeat t-shirt myself, and it took a number of hours to sort of get right, so that's kind of cool. And prices for t-shirts and hoodies range from somewhere around £25-ish to around £50-ish, depending what you go for, what materials, what sizes, I don't know, all that kind of stuff. So just please go check out my merch. It's linked down below in all of my videos. So yeah, go check them out. If you like anything, it can really help my channel out too. My next choice I really like. I really have to get hold of these. I've meant to get hold of a set of these for years and just haven't got around to it. So that's one of my New Year's resolutions, and that is lockpick earrings. There's so many designs out there. I've chosen these ones from a website I actually recognize. There's a lot of different websites out there which I don't really know anything about. But please do shop around. This isn't the only place you can buy this type of thing. But for around $35, you can get lockpick earrings, and it just seems like a really fun gift for the right person. And my final category for little last minute Christmas ideas are anything over $50. So it's going to be a special gift to yourself or a loved one maybe. And where to start? Well, I'm going to start here with these uncuff links from Sparrow's Lockpicks, and these range from around $45 for ones with Sparrow's logo on, which are kind of cool. This is the ones that I personally chose. I really like these, and I do actually wear them when I have the opportunity to wear a shirt which takes cufflinks. These don't have a logo and they're silver. And what I like about these, of course, is if you don't know about them, they are actually handcuff keys as well. So they work as a shirt cufflink, but they also work as a handcuff key as well, which is really nice. Now, my next choice might be a controversial choice because I have mixed feelings about how effective this pick set is for an everyday use set, but it does work, and I don't know anything else that looks like this. This is like in a gold tinted titanium. These are titanium lockpicks. They've got these beautiful designs. Just look at that sort of leaf pattern on these turning tools. I just think that they look absolutely amazing, and I just know there are people out there who've never heard of these. You got two hooks, two rakes, and they just love the aesthetic. It's going to be one of these things you either absolutely hate or you absolutely love. You might know somebody who sort of does cosplay or LARPing, and this would make a great set for them. You just might like the style. They do work. They are, like I said, titanium lockpicks. They work perfectly well, actually. They are a little springy because they are titanium, and you know, maybe they don't have the best hook profiles in this set, but I think for the aesthetics alone, for around $69 for the right person, this would make a really great gift. Next, I just want to mention Ratyoki Design on Etsy. It seems like Ratyoki is taking a short break. Hopefully he's back by the time this video is released, but Ratyoki does a whole load of sort of lock picking related jewelry, including this really nice Locksport ring for around I think somewhere around $150, about 129 UK pounds. At that price, you're looking at a very special gift for a very special person, or a very special treat, and you deserve it. And last but not least, I did have to mention this again, probably because it actually did surprise me, genuinely surprised me, this set, which is the Covert Companion Pro. I quite like the original Covert Companion. I think it's fine, but this actually has taken it from a kind of a fun little EDC to something that is actually quite serious and very useful. It is $150 though, so that is an expense. Is it worth it? Yeah, actually, I think that for what you get with how well it's designed, I did a really in-depth review video of this. You get all these bypass tools, you get lockpicks, you get your turners, which can be removed as well. All comes in this beautiful kind of metal case, and it's well packaged. I think that Covert Instruments did a fantastic job on this set, and it's a surprise thing for me because I didn't expect this to come out, and I really love what they did. In fact, I think that my video is sort of titled No Notes because I think they did such a great job on this tool. I know a lot of people who do have this and really like it as well. So yeah, maybe not cheap, but a nice one to end on, and certainly one for your consideration if you're looking for a special lock picking gift for somebody. And I do promise you, none of these items are sponsored on this video. It wasn't paid to promote any of them. The only thing I get a kickback off is those t-shirts, as I said. So those are my lock picking gift ideas for Christmas 2025. If I've missed something which you think makes a great little gift, please put some comments down below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. I think other people would really like to know, is there something really cool you've seen out there which makes a fun lockpicking, lock sport related gift? Not necessarily like a super serious lockpick set or anything like that, just a fun gift for somebody who's into lockpicking and lock sport. I think it'd be really nice to collate a whole load of gift ideas down below for other people to have a look at, because other opinions are really welcome here. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, want to see more content like this, please do subscribe. Hit that notification bell, all really helps me out and I really appreciate it. So stay safe, happy picking, and also happy Christmas.